In this video, I'll show you how to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone. So we need to start by heading over to the Settings application on your phone. And if you're already signed into an account, you need to ensure that you're signed out. Then just click on the Apple account at the top here. At the bottom, select Don't Have an Apple Account. Then just go ahead and enter your first name, enter the second name of your account, and then just select the date of birth. Once you've selected your personal information, we then need to create an email address. You can either choose an email address from another account. If you already have an email with something like Gmail or Yahoo, then you can enter that here. Otherwise, I'd recommend pressing Do Not Have an Email Address, and we can create a free one on the iCloud. So just go ahead and type in the name of your new email account, and this will also be used as your Apple ID. Once you've typed in the name, we can press Continue. Click on Create Email Address, enter a password for your account. You need to ensure that your password's a minimum of 8 characters and also includes a number and a special character. Then go ahead and press Continue. Then you'll need to enter a phone number. You can either continue with the phone number registered on your device, or we can select Use a different number, and then just go ahead and type in the phone number of your account. Finally, we just need to agree to the terms and conditions. And then once you finish, this is automatically going to sign you in to your new Apple account. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.